Hey there, Tony Teolis here. I want to show you a continuation of my story about avoiding traffic by growing your own food with a little bit of practice, putting your home garden system together. And in this case, tomato and cucumber isn't as complicated as the stores make it out to seem. You get some exercise. You see here we got tomatoes growing, so I want them to grow and grow and grow and grow. And if I do this right, this plant will grow all over this net. We'll produce tomatoes possibly through August if I do it right. On this one, we have some larger tomatoes. This is the pice to be, and they're not prolific like the cherry tomato. They keep producing and producing, but if you take care of them, they will produce a good batch of tomatoes. Perfect for making tomato sauce. Putting up a net like this keeps them off the ground, keeps the bug at bay, gives you exercise, put your math skills to work. Doesn't look like much now, but again, past pictures will show this whole thing will be covered with food and vegetables. We'll come in here. Okay, we got a number of lettuces and greens growing amongst strawberry, some grass like that I could pull. Great big romaine lettuce here, parsley. This is an arugula that's going to go to seed. But the idea, we keep adding. We've got a lot of cress growing in down here. And cucumber, here we go. There's a cucumber there. That'll take over this place as well.